Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to demonstrate one of the very popular product in the market. It is from the Samsung. We have a Galaxy S24 Ultra mobile. So let's get into it. We will show step by step how you can set it up your product, how you can utilize it better, and let us know in the comment section if you have any questions. So we already opened the box just to get it a little quicker. Let's get the actual packaging of the product. Open that. So it is well packaged. Now, as you can expect from the premium product, the packaging outside looks pretty well as well, as you guys can probably see. And this is a violet color, titanium violet. So hopefully we'll be able to see that as well very well once we open the product. Um, Also, it is a 512 GB memory inside it, so that's advantage point. Okay, uh, let me move on. All right, and here it is coming. Definitely something seems to be sticky. Wow. Okay, so this was an exciting opening, I would say. uh, the product is inside the front, the back panel, and as you guys can probably see, it is signing right away as I open it, and as I take it out of the cardboard. Hopefully you guys can see the product better now. So this is definitely a really good looking premium product, which is Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a violet color. Hopefully you guys are able to see the proper coloring. I'm just gonna move it around so you guys can see it from all the angle. Hopefully this is the better angle with the light. On the side we have the lock button and the volume button. On this side we don't have anything. Here it's open. At the bottom we have a SIM card, Type C USB charging. Don't know about that. Maybe microphone. And here seems to be our S Pen, which is a fantastic feature of Samsung mobiles, especially Galaxy S series, which I like. Right now, before we jump inside before we open up and start the mobile, let's see in the box what else comes up. Okay, so this is it. Definitely, there's nothing much inside it. I'm just expecting to have two things: the SIM card opener and the charging cable. But let's see. As I expect, there's a very few user manual guide. Type C to Type C charging cable, which is expected for most of the mobiles now, and the SIM card tray opener. So that is it, guys. So as expected, nothing more comes from the Samsung on the mobile. So now, without wasting further time, let's go ahead and start opening up the actual product, and let's start the product to see how much time it takes to set it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna start the product now. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. I hope it will have some charge, otherwise I have to put the charge. Okay, so now it seems to be, I have to hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds. It got started, but it took some time. Nice. Power by Android for sure. So Samsung and Google definitely have a very good partnership. Okay, so I got interrupted, but looks like because I am recording on the recording it on another Galaxy S23 Ultra mobile, it automatically asked me if you want to transfer your data from the previous, like my S23 Ultra to the S24 Ultra Pro mobile right away, which is gonna by default gonna take probably 10-15 minutes, maybe more. I don't know. Considering I will be having 120 or 130 GB data inside my mobile. So definitely I'm not gonna go for it, but hopefully as you guys can follow the process, you can transfer from any Galaxy or Android mobile all the data inside the mobile right away as you are unboxing it. And same thing goes if you have an iPhone or iPad, you can transfer all the data right away inside this mobile. I'm just gonna go for the setup manually, just to have the fresh look of the product for everyone. Right, let me connect the Wi-Fi. couldn't connect to USB. It's there. I don't know why it's not able to connect. It seems like some type of error comes when you are holding the mobile and probably touching that S Pen. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna set up that later. We'll connect it on Wi-Fi, so I'm hoping there will be no software update right away as a mandatory before we go to the final boot up screen. I'm not gonna copy any data for now, and hopefully now we should not have any other steps to be performed. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this. No setups. I'm not gonna send any data to anyone else apart from my mobile. Well, that is fine. I'm gonna skip all the protection anyway. Okay, I'm not having any where I can log in with my mobile. Looks like it's not allowing me to move ahead. Setup letter. Okay, there you can do that. Okay, I guess because I'm connected on Wi-Fi, it gives me all these options. That's it. That's fine. Let's go with the dark light. I don't know, man. Because of the light right now, I'm gonna keep it light. Maybe in future I will make it dark, as it will be much easier to use the product in the night time with the dark theme. And this is it, guys. I'm able to set up the whole product probably within like 3 minutes. Now you can add more steps inside it to get the product look and feel and utilize more features of it. Um, Apart from it, let's see what else we can see. Standardly, definitely we will be looking for the camera. So as you guys can see, there are a lot of different camera settings which comes by default. So we already got 0.x, 0.6x. As you guys can probably see, it is covering a lot of projection area in my home. So definitely it's a good feature to have. Then let me record some of the photos as well. We'll try to compare and see like if we can record it inside our S23 Ultra after this recording, and we'll give you comparison review as well after that. And I'm gonna go 100x to see how much. Okay, this is definitely a two-hand work, not one hand. Okay, some text would be preference right here. Let's see how all the photos have been captured. Fantastic. My eyes cannot see that, but it is very pretty clear. Like this, all the characters which has been recorded and the photos taken. This one probably not the best the photo which I could assume at 10x. Okay, okay, okay. Looks pretty all good photos, guys. Definitely one of the biggest feature in this mobile is 100x zoom. If you are doing astronomy, definitely there is many different advantage inside the mode option where you can have the expert pro as well as the pro mode enabled, and then you can utilize more of these features. This is the one of the very common application which I use on my S23 Ultra, especially in the astronomy mode, which I would prefer and which I would like to utilize in the night times when I go outside. So please explore and let us know if you have any questions and comments around there. Apart from it, we can look at the video settings. Usually all the settings are pretty common. It gives you a recording up to the 8K. It gives you 60 FPS speed as well for the video recording, which is pretty standard for most of the mobiles as of now. As I'm using this S23 Ultra on my daily routine, definitely I'm gonna be not exploring more in this mobile compared to S23 Ultra. I'm not expecting to have much of the changes. It definitely has some advantage on the features, cameras, and S Pen. Then the latest AI features which has been introduced as well on the Galaxy new series, which is an advantage as well as you go with the latest smartphones. and the speed, touch, and the screen is definitely awesome on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is it, guys. Not planning to go in depth for today. This is it. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions specifically, if we can answer for you. Otherwise, please like, share, and subscribe our video. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.